ready to send money across borders without the usual headaches. Let's get you set up with a Lemfi account in minutes. First, head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and search for Lemfi. Make sure you're downloading the official app, which should have a recognizable logo. Tap that Install or Get button and let the app download to your phone. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the app is installed, tap Open. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap on the Sign Up button to start creating your account. Now, fill in your email address, create a strong and secure password, and if you have a referral code, enter it here. Then tap on the Create Account. Next, enter your phone number. Lemfi will send you a verification code to ensure it's really you. Enter the verification code you received via SMS. This confirms your phone number and takes you to the next step. You'll need to complete the KYC process, which is standard for financial apps. Enter your personal details accurately, including your full name, date of birth, and residential address. Now for identity verification, you'll need to upload a clear photo of your passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Follow the on-screen instructions for taking a good quality picture. Finally, link your bank account to your Lemfi account. This allows you to easily send and receive money. Follow the prompts to securely connect your bank. And that's it. You've successfully created your Lemfi account. Now you can explore the app, learn about its features, and start sending money internationally with ease.